Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and today in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you what is Array.indexOf method and what is Array.lastIndexOf method. So both methods are very important. First of all, I will tell you why we use those methods. So in many websites you notice there is the search features. So you can create this kind of search features using those two methods. So now I will go to the HTML file and I will show you the syntax and how to use those methods. So this is the HTML file and here you can see I have added one array inside this fruits variable, and in this array there is banana fruits 2 times, you can see here. And now here this is the syntax. So first array, then the method name indexOf, then search element. I already told for creating search features we use this method. Okay, so search element, suppose you want to search apple, so this one you have to add here, later I will show you. And then from index, I mean from where you want to start. Okay, so now this is the method I have added. So for me array means fruits because this array I store in this variable fruits variable. So fruits, then the method name indexOf, so I have written, and the search element. Okay, first example I'm just avoiding this one index, but later I will show you how you can use this one also. So here I want to search suppose banana. Okay, so here I have written banana, and banana you can see here 2 times, here and here also. So if it get banana in this array, so it will return the position of the banana. So here the position means index. Okay, so here index start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, means banana is 1 and 3 position, right? So here what will be the output? So here the output will be 1. Why? Because indexOf method returns the first match. So first match means here, so it will return the position 1 because here banana for 1 position, 0 apple, then 1 banana. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now I will show you the output. So see here 1 position. Okay, now suppose you want to ignore this one, right? You want to search after this position, means after 0, 1, after 1 position if there is banana or not. So here you can write comma, then from index, means from 2 index I want to search. So I will write here 2, means it will ignore 0 and 1 index and it will start to find from here to here, right? So when it will start to find from here to here, so it will return the output this one. Okay, so let's see output is 3 because here I'm starting to find from here, so it will ignore this 1 position and 2, 3, so it will return 3. Banana is the position 3. Okay, hope it is clear how it works, this indexOf method. And now suppose you want to find anything which is not here, like you can do like index 4, right? So after 4 index means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, means after 4 index there is no banana, right? So what will be the output? See, output is -1, means if you search anything which is not in this array, so that time it will return the output is -1. Now if you are thinking banana is inside this array, why it is returning output -1? Because here I have given the index 4, means here it will not search up to here. Okay, it will search from here. Okay, so that time when it will search from here, so then there is no banana, right? So it will return the output -1. Now any other thing, suppose mango is not inside this array. Okay, so now no need to pass the index, entire array there is no mango, you can see here. So here what will be the output? then also output will be -1. I hope now it is clear. If your search element not included in this array, so it will return -1. If it is included, then it will return the position of your search element. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Now I will show you the next method, which is last.indexOf. Last.indexOf method, it is similar like indexOf, but indexOf method returns the first match, right? We have noticed, but last.indexOf method, it will return the last match. So simply here you have to write the method name. So the syntax is search element, then from index, that will be same, just instead of indexOf, here the syntax is last.indexOf. Okay, so now just I will change, instead of indexOf, here I will write last.indexOf. Okay, and console.log, same I will write here. Now here suppose again I want to search banana. So what will be the output? So if now you are thinking the output will be 1, right? Then you are wrong, because here I already said last.indexOf return the position of last match value. IndexOf return the first match. So first match means this one. So then it will return 1 when you will use indexOf method. But while I am using last.indexOf method, so it will return the last position. Okay, so the last position means this one, I mean the last match position. So this one, so it will return 3. Here you can see 3. And now here the another parameter is from index. So here if I pass the index is 1. So we have noticed in indexOf method, when we pass the index, so that time we started to count from here, means 0, 1. Okay, so it was searching after 1 this position, but it is last.indexOf method. So when I will write the index here, so it will start to count from last position, means 0, 1. Okay, so here it will start to find from up to here to here. Okay, so now here I will open the browser and see 1, because here I wrote the index is 1, means 0, 1. So it will start to find from here to here, means here it is getting, so position is 1 for this one. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have still any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or if you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.